Hello, everyone. My name is Jarlyn Megadrola, together with me, my partner Almo Reggie, and I'm excited to be here today to share this video on how the hard drive, boot, and performance repair with Diagnostic Flowchart. So let's start. When a computer fails to boot, it's important to determine if the operating system partially loads. And if you see the Windows splash screen or loading dots, it means the boot process has started. In short, if your system partially boots but fails, check safe mode, verify CMOS setting, and use a bootable OS to run ScanDisk for possible disk error. A slow or noisy hard drive can indicate potential issues such as wear and tear, bad sector, or excessive disk activity. If the drive is noticeable slower than before, it may be due to fragmentation, background process, or a failing disk. If your hard drive is unusually slow or consistently seeking, check for disk error and background activity to prevent potential failure. If loading files or starting program takes an unusually long time and you hear the drive spinning up frequently, power management setting might be the cause. And errors mean your drive may be falling back up data. Check for viruses, ensure cooling, and run a slow format to assess its health. Check CMOS boot order and set your hard drive as the first device to prevent boot failures caused by other media. If it's not, no, set order to hard drive first or remove other media. If you can't boot from a CD, check boot order, clean the disk, and ensure the drive spinning up time. If the issue persists, it could be an IDE controller or cabling problem. If you can access a drive from a bootable OS CD, back up your data immediately, and then repair or reinstall the OS to fix corruption without losing your files. If it's yes, virus or OS corruption, backup critical data, try Virus Doctor and OS repair. Ensure you have a reliable backup and check regularly. If data recovery is needed, professional service help through. They can be costly if it's not, if the data is tried to virus and disk doctor software, or send drive for data recovery. Set order to hard drive first or remove other media. CMOS and OS power management, try to test in PC. Proceed to IDE drive failure chat. And virus on OS corruption backup critical data. Try Virus Doctor and OS repair. Thank you.